I got a really good question from somebody today. It was, why do we care what our listing looks like on sites like YP.com and Superpages and stuff like that? Does anybody really go to that? And the answer is a lot of times no. People aren't actually going to those sites, but the reason why it's important to have consistent listings and to know what the information is that's listed about your business across the web and other listing sites is because Google sees it and other search engines see it. So it's important to have consistent listing on sites like YP.com, Superpages, Brown Book, even some of these that you've probably never heard of, because Google and other search engines will use that information to determine how accurate your business listings are across the web. And in turn, they use that information for your ranking. So yes, if you have a bunch of inconsistent listings, meaning you have old website addresses, old phone numbers, old tracking phone numbers, old addresses, across all of these local listing sites on the web, that inconsistency is actually going to hurt your ranking. So it's important to know what information is out there about your business on a lot of these other primary local listing sites. Because as a lot of businesses know, is that over the years you use different phone numbers, different tracking phone numbers. You've probably moved 1 or 2 times. You've had a couple different digital marketing agencies. Maybe you've changed the business name. Maybe you've changed the business website. Whatever that is, over time, that information gets spread out further and further and further and doesn't actually end up getting updated. So it's important for you to know what is all the information across these different listing sites for your business and is it consistent? Because ultimately, even though it does help to have it that way just for consumers that might find it, but ultimately it's really important from an SEO standpoint. So now is a great time to go back and look at that. The tool that we have for it is on our website at www.witdelivers.com/scan. Just put in your business name, phone number, address, hit go, takes a couple minutes, and then it'll show you all of the primary local listing sites where your business is listed, and it'll show you any inconsistencies. If you have any questions, feel free to put it in the comments or shoot us a private message. We're here, we're happy to help. Hope you and your family and your teams are happy and healthy right now.